subscribers to a brand new video. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. My name's BeDistinct and I have a Supercharged G35, and hopefully next month we're hoping to get our hands on the new Proto Z. Put our deposit in. We're pretty much just waiting to get that text message that the Proto Z is being shipped to the dealership, and we're gonna go ahead and go do a delivery video on it. But in today's video, we have a brand new set of wheels and tires going on that G35. Let me present to you today's sponsor, Fitment Industries and Anovia Wheels. I want to give a huge shout out to Fitment Industries and Anovia Wheels for sending me a brand new set of wheels that look absolutely amazing. I cannot wait to show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and open the wheels and see how they look. You guys want wheels and tires, especially if you buy both of them. When you buy new wheels, most of the time you're gonna wanna buy new tires. And if you do that through Fitment Industries, they literally come, as you can see, the wheel is already inside the tire. It comes mounted, it comes balanced. The big reveal, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Okay, false alarm, 3, 2, 1. Oh, false alarm, 3, 2, 1. Bam! Check that out. And let me give you guys a quick montage. And this is the best part. They even send you the lugs. Here you can also order lugs for all your four wheels right there, which is freaking awesome. And they sent us a sponsorship package. So let's go ahead and check out what kind of goodies we have in here. Can I open this? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. We just got a letter.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from.
We have a hat by Anovia Wheels. On all my videos, I always wear hats, so this one is a little too big. I gotta adjust it, but man, this is fire. Okay, let's see what else. Woo! This one is actually sick. Oh, hell yeah. Look at this little kitty. I might give this one to my girlfriend. She loves cats. Oh, hell, dude, my girlfriend is gonna love this one, bro. Check that out. Fox. Is that a fox? I think it is, but that's sick. I love this, man. Thank you, Fitment, and thank you, Anovia Wheels. You guys are awesome, man. Hell yeah. And then let's see what else we got here. Man, we're gonna start collecting key ties because I got so many, but this one, oh my God, this feels good. Ceramic refresh spray. Oh yeah, after every vehicle wash, you can just spray these on and they're gonna keep on shining, man. Hell yeah, I'm gonna use this for sure. It comes with this. This is for the lug nuts, I'm assuming. And then what are these boxes? Oh, shoot, what is this? Oh, crap. Yo, it's the center cap to the wheels. It comes with center caps. Thank God, man. I was gonna be like, I was kind of iffy about that. Keep surprising you day after day. This thing's amazing. Look at that. And it comes, if I think this is what it is, you get your own Anovia stem. Let me take this out. Yup, yes, indeed it is one. And not only that, you get like some kind of emblem here. It's like a sticky emblem that you can add, I'm assuming, to the side of the wheel. We just took a quick thumbnail picture with the wheels right now, so we're gonna have to put those aside, jack up the car, take off the front new wheels, do a weight test on the wheels, and then go ahead and mount them. They're already balanced. Like I said, Fitment Industries, when you order tires and wheels through them, they'll go ahead and install the tires on the wheels, balance them, mount them for absolutely free. So it's super nice, super convenient. You guys know the first step, loosen up the lug nuts before jacking up the car. On my last lug nut, I'm gonna take this lug nut out and then I'm gonna take off the wheel, and I'll tell you right away if they're heavier or not. Yeah, man, I think the 4-stars are a little bit lighter, but let's take them to the weight test. So here we have both wheels next to each other for comparison. As you guys can see, it looks, I mean, that just looks stunning, man. That looks freaking awesome. These are two 35s by 40. These are two 35s by 35. So the sidewall is smaller here. So let's go ahead and start the weight test with the 4-star first. Sorry, weight scale. Okay, it's just letting the wheel hang. 47.6. Okay. All right, guys, let's go ahead and roll this one. Oh, hold up. 45.4? Are they lighter? No way. All right, guys, so I'm going to repeat this fact again. I also repeated it in the wheel install with the Supra, but I'm going to repeat it once again. When you're ordering wheels, aftermarket wheels, most of the wheels that they sell online, they're going to make the bore size. The bore size is this little center hole that is in the wheel. Now they're gonna make those super big so they can fit every single model, every car out there. It can fit it, guaranteed. With that being said, since it's gonna be bigger, it's gonna be kind of loose here and it's gonna put a lot of tension on your studs. You don't want that, so order these hub centric rings. These rings are little adapters that are to the size of your car, right? They fit exactly perfect, and then at the top end it makes it fit into that bore size. Second thing, we can't just install them because those wheels are smaller, so we're gonna need to install spacers. Only issue is that I have a 1-inch spacer and I have 1.25-inch spacer, so I don't know if the 1.25s go here or in the back, which leads me to another website that I want to introduce you to you guys. So if you guys go to the website Will They Fit, you can put your existing setup, your tire size and your wheel width and the offset, put in your new setup, and you can see how much your new wheel, your new tire and wheel setup will come out forward or come out backward. Just click calculate and it'll tell you your inner rim, which is 27 millimeters closer to the suspension strut and 27 millimeters less poke than it was before. So we need 27 millimeters to poke out more, and 25 millimeters is 1 inch. So I think we're gonna end up putting the 1 inch in the front and then the 1.25 inch in the back. Also something to note here, before we install our spacer, we're gonna go ahead and brush this off, make sure it's as flat as possible. Second thing you wanna know, I told you the wheel has to be hub centric to your bore ring. You also wanna make sure that if you add a spacer, that your spacer is also hub centric to your specific car model. Now before we install them on the wheels, we already installed the spacers, they're looking brand new. Now before we install the wheels though, we want to make sure they're super shiny. They came a little smudgy, you guys can see right there, little fingerprints and stuff like that. That's okay, we're gonna go ahead and clean this entire wheel. Alright guys, the wheels are sparkly clean, man. Oh my god, dude. I mean, does it really matter what way it goes? I'm gonna go ahead and put it where it has the Anovia. So Anovia, and we're gonna put it centered to that and then just boom. There we have it. Bro, I don't think these wheels fit. Alright guys, here's our problem. The space between here and here is kind of small. These studs extend too far out, and these wheels don't have a deep enough pocket. There's a pretty deep, what you call it, pocket here. So it's very narrow. I mean, and there's holes that I'm assuming was for the studs to pass through, hopefully. But I think these bolts are too big for that. Of course, always wear your safety goggles. Yep, there you go. You hit the spot. And then now we just gotta put the lug nuts. Hopefully the thread didn't get messed up. All right guys, we slapped the fronts. Man, you see how it just makes it pop out compared to just the silver? Man, that looks freaking sick. Anyways, we're done with the fronts. Let's move on to the back, install the spacers, the whole process, and let's do a weight test. Alright, welcome back to the weight test challenge. Quick spec overview. This is a 18 by 10.5 plus 22 offset wrapped in a 235/40 R18 tire. This one is a 19 by 11, so slightly larger wheel, -5 offset wrapped in a 265/35 R19 tire. So let's go ahead and roll these into the weight test. Here. 58.8. That's 65. Let's roll it in. 50.6. Okay. So here's a good example. I was gonna put this spacer on. I had these on before, and this is how they were placed, and now I'm barely realizing these. These came with the car when I first bought it, and these are not hub centric, guys. You guys can see here, there is a lot of space that goes on in the middle. There's a lot of space. All right, Houston, we got another problem. It doesn't even have an outer ring to mount the freaking wheel on. So what we're gonna do is, we should be fine right now. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wheel for the sake of the video. Take it out for a spin, take it pictures. It will be fine. Normal driving, it will be fine. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and order some quality spacers for the rears. These are 125. We're gonna go ahead and order some nice spacers. Then when they come in, we'll go ahead and swap them out. But for the sake of the video, we're gonna continue mount the wheel. When working in the heat, guys, always make sure to take a break. This mangoneada is freaking fire. And if you don't believe me how hot it is, look at that. Sacramento 106. It is blazing. I also like that this is an 18, so the big brake kit fills a lot more of the wheel, and so it looks a lot better. Let me brighten it up for you guys. You guys can see there. It fills a lot more of the wheel, and it looks really, really good. All right, guys, so I couldn't make it to the gas station, but I put it here in my garage. I slammed it down, and I turned on all the lighting so you guys can go ahead and check out the car. This is how it looks. Like I said, I'm still getting a farther spacer for the rear wheels. Front ones, I think I might leave them like that, but here's how it is. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Here's how it is. I mean, under the gas station lights, it will look a lot better, but check that out. I mean, this is how it looks right now. The front ones I think are okay. This is how it is slammed. It could use a little bit of a spacer, but it's not bad at all. I think it looks really good. It's not bad. Like I said, if I put a spacer a little bit bigger, things are gonna start breaking. It's gonna start hitting things. I will need to stretch the tire a little bit more, and I honestly don't want to stretch. I think it looks good like that. The rear, however, the rear could use a little bit of space. It has room to be pushed out. As you guys can see, here's the fender right here. So there's a little bit of space right here, so that's why I bought bigger spacers for the back. But it's not looking bad, and it looks really, really good. I really like the wheels, the way it came out. I mean, these are just awesome. Really completed the look with these purple. I mean, it looks freaking sick with the chrome tail lights. Freaking awesome. Look at that. Man, I can't wait to show you guys at the gas station. Since I do have to put gas in this car, I will most likely take it to the gas station, and I will shoot a video night reel of the chrome wheels under the light. It's gonna look so, so good. And if you guys want to see that footage, make sure to follow me on my Instagram page or on my TikTok page, where I post additional content. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, because like I said, next month we should be having our hands on the new Proto Nissan Z. I'm super excited for that car to come. It was expensive, but I'm taking a risk on the channel. I want to see this channel grow, and I think the Nissan Z is going to be the perfect car to make that happen. With that being said, I'll catch you guys next episode. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for all the support. Stay safe, amigos. Peace.